these guys. Hey, fellas. Hey, I'm taping a Street Magic special. You want to see some magic?
Hell to the no.
Hell no! We filed a restraining order against your demon ass. So you know what? I'm calling the police right now. Here we go.
Yes, yeah. Keep talking to us, David Blaine. Keep effing with us. Because guess what? It's illegal. It's literally illegal.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay, they had a squad car very close, so okay, they're on their way. Haha, David Blaine.
Hey,
On their way.
you. What kind of car do you drive?
I drive a black Honda. Big whoop.
Big whoop.
Black Honda. Interesting. Is it compact?
Compact, I don't know, look for yourself. What the F?
Where is it?
Wait, you stole my car! My car is gone!
No, it's not. Look closer.
What are you talking about?
He shrunk your effing car.
What the
Your
F?
effing car. There's things.
You shrunk my Honda, you bitch!
There's things in there.
My jeans
Look.
are in here!
Great, my favorite hat. Okay, it's Barbie size now.
Yeah.
How am I supposed to wear that? Okay, you know what? No, you're so going to jail. Give me this. Evidence. Evidence.
Oh my stuff!
Evidence.
It's Abercrombie jeans, they're distressed.
Where are
$70. Look, all my CDs, John Mayer, Carrie Underwood.
going to jail.
Millionaire. You shrunk Millionaire. Millionaire. You know what? I hope Chris Angel finds you and beats your ass. 'Cause you're
Evan! He enlarged the car while I was holding it.
What the F?
I could have died.
Are you okay?
Yes, yes. Oh, wait, my hat is back though.
Oh, great.
My hat is back.
Oh, thanks, David Blaine. Thanks. You enlarged his hat, but my Abercrombie's and my CDs are still Barbie size.
Doesn't fit
Thank
right.
you. You know what?
Doesn't
I
fit.
hate you. I don't want to see you, David Blaine. I don't want to see your face.
Okay, you know what? I'll tell you what. All you have to do is stand under this sheet. I'll count to 3
No.
and you won't see me again.
I won't see you again?
No.
Oh, guess what?
No.
Guess what? I like the sound of that. That's the best trick I've ever heard in the history of your bitch-ass trick.
Evan, no, be careful under there. I don't trust this one, please.
Okay.
This is so
1,
dumb. I'm under
2,
a sheet.
3.
Big whoop.
Evan, did you Barbie size him? Evan, where are you? Did he shrink you Barbie size? What, did you shrink him?
No.
Well, where is he? You disappeared, Evan, somewhere. Bring my friend back now, David Blaine.
Okay. What?
Ah!
What the F?
Peter!
What was that, Evan?
Where am
I
I?
heard something somewhere.
Peter!
Evan!
Peter, help!
Evan!
Peter!
You messed him up! You messed him up!
Peter!
Come here, what happened?
I was in dinosaur times!
What? You were only gone for like 10 seconds.
Well, I spent a week in dinosaur times, okay? Like 5 days, 4 nights, like eating berries and fucking fighting dinosaurs.
Did you get to ride any?
No, I didn't get to ride any. Was this the Land Before Time with Littlefoot and shit? It was like Jurassic Park, you demon.
He didn't even get to ride any.
Peter, look at your head right now.
What? You half-sized it now. Stop changing the size of my hat, you
Demon! Police! Yeah,
Please, okay,
yeah.
great.
Hi,
Okay.
hi.
Let's shut that camera off.
No, excuse me, officer.
Arrest-
Yes,
arrest him.
we have a restraining order against him.
Arrest his ass.
He shrunk my CDs.
Yep, his car.
Okay, all right, just calm down. What's the problem over here now?
Okay, he enlarged the car while I was holding it, and
Yeah.
he keeps changing the size of his
He-
head.
All right, very well.
Toddler
Sir.
size now. Fat baby maybe, but fit perfect.
All right, sir. If I can get you to stand up against that wall.
Of course, officer.
Go.
Can you please arrest him or something? He sent me to dinosaur times. I could have died. I wanted to eat, so I stole an egg from a mommy dinosaur, and then that dinosaur chased me, and a volcano went off and shit.
And he didn't even get to ride any. He didn't get to ride any.
I
They were
understand.
bad
Just
ones.
slow down.
Okay.
Let me get your names.
Yeah.
My name's Evan Ferguson. Ferguson.
Peter Pazinski, Pezynski.
He got it. He
Russian,
got it.
Polish.
Can you please arrest him forever or
Yes.
put him in jail or something? Because he's
Yes.
ruining our lives.
He's ruining our effing lives.
Okay? Please.
All right. I'll see what I can do.
What the? What?
F! Get in the car, get
I'm
in the
not
car.
signing a release.
Get in the car.
I'm not signing a release. You shrunk